Well, I was originally hoping to show a video of a bit more of the body repair, but the guys at Lone Pine have moved on so quickly with the car that we've got the door all fixed there. You can see they've managed to beat it out here. Also managed to save the B post here, so that's been straightened. We've got the new wing in at the rear here. Now this is this lower part has been put in and then just joined up with the aluminium valance at the rear. I'm just going to pop inside the car now, and you can see that the just down here has been re-seam sealed, and this sort of boot side floor has been straightened too. I'm gonna go around the car now and take some of the masking tape off, so we can see a little bit more about the engine bay and the rest of the repair. Okay, so here we are now with the masking tape removed. We can sort of have a good look at what we're working with now. You can see we've the inner wheel arch there has been sprayed. We might have to do a little bit of a polish down in the corner there, just where it meets the paint for the original paint of the car. You can see here the straightened chassis leg is down there, and that's all been painted. We've got a little bit of a crinkle in the front apron here. That's going to be one of those things I've just got to live with. I think you know, in the grand scheme of things, that's pretty minor. And I think there was on the other side, it had a little bit of a crease in there anyway, and luckily that's sort of behind the oil cooler and behind the grille. So I think once the car's back together, you're not going to see a great deal of that. We've got the sort of bonnet slam panel just along the front. That's all been redone, and Michael's just painted inside inside the sort of the front area there on the passenger side too. On the wing here, we've got a little bit of repair. I think this is the wing that got a fairly bad knock at Alton Park last year, so that's back on the car, but it just wants a little bit of a paint there. You'll be able to see all inside the wheel arch here has been repainted. We've still got a very slight little crease on the trumpet section there. That's something I can certainly live with. And then moving down inside the sort of the chassis leg there, that's all been repainted. And I think it looks it looks pretty much as it did before the accident. So that I'm exceptionally pleased with. Then along the door here, the lower part has been primed. That's all going to be wet flatted back. So we'll be well, it won't be me. It'll be Michael. We'll be redoing the paint on that, and we'll also be redoing the roundel on the door as well once the blue paint's gone on. And then moving down, we've got the rear arch again. You can see now that the door luckily has survived pretty well. It's had a repair at the bottom there. But I think once that's back in colour, I don't think you're really going to see any of the damage on there. And then just down the B post again, without the tape in, you can just sort of see how that's looking now. And then just moving around again, just round to the rear of the car here, you can see that's all smoothed back in nicely. I think it matches pretty well with the other side, so that's I'm very happy with the repair. I honestly couldn't be happier with how it's looking at the moment. I think we're going to be certainly ahead of schedule, so I don't want to say too much, but confident we'll be back out for Silverstone, which is on the 10th of July. There will certainly be some more videos. I'm going to be over at the garage here on Friday. It's Wednesday today. They've only had the car a week, and it's already, I think, well, they had the car 6 days. 6 days, 4 working days, and it already looks like this. So I'm delighted with the work that's been carried out here, and I'm certain we'll be back up and running very soon. Hopefully you'll join me again. I'll do a bit more sort of videoing on Friday when I'm back down here at Lone Pine Garage. I'll be covering a bit of the repair as I'm sort of bolting things back together and maybe doing a bit of flattening on the paint to get that looking good. So hopefully you'll join me then, and I'll see you soon. Many thanks. Bye.